Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the electric Israeli, sitting in my Tesla. I just want to share with you some supercharging chargers. Last week we took a long 550 miles plus trip to Maryland, and for those 550 miles trip, I started the car with a full charge at the house, and then we charged the first day in the Northeast Maryland supercharger. We were parked there for about 18 minutes, and we gained 70 miles, and that cost $3.91. At that night, we charged to 80% at the hotel for free. And then the next day, we drove around, and then for the next night, we charged also at the hotel for free. And then on the way back, we stopped in Newark, Delaware for a little over than 20 minutes. And we gained a little bit more than 100 miles for $2.97. So altogether, we charge worth of supercharging miles about 170, 180 miles, and that cost us a little bit less than $7. For those 180 miles, and it was part of our normal stop anyway for refreshments and whatever. So it was really nice, very, very nice. Now, what you notice that even though we parked longer and gained more miles in Delaware, we paid $1 less in Delaware than Maryland for more miles and more time, because the electricity rates in each state are different. And as you going to drive a Tesla and supercharge wherever you are, you will know which states have the best rates, and maybe you can time it to do that. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is we always have a big December trip to Florida, and I'm gonna stop probably on each way 6 or 7 times down to St. Petersburg and come back. So I will do a video per charge, so to speak, by state. So we'll see how many miles I charge in each state and what is the dollar amount that I spend, and then we'll do that survey, and I'll give you all the details so you can take advantage and enjoy the savings. All right, guys, thank you, and have a great weekend, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Help me change the world one electric car at a time, and just help me spread the word and share my videos. All right, thanks, guys.